Hello dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Glam Master Lex, and I am so happy that you guys have liked my videos and have subscribed. And if you haven't, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. I just want to know what you guys think of this look. It was inspired by just retro, pinup, editorial, like futuristic, just all those good things. I'm just so obsessed with it. Like, it's just everything. Are you obsessed? Because I'm obsessed. So let's get into it, guys.
This is the Flawless Skin Rosehip Oil I like to use to moisturize my face. And I got that from TJ Maxx for like $2.99. And this Neutrogena Pores and Primer, I use that to prime before the foundation. I took this spoolie to go ahead and just brush out my eyebrows. And then I take a really small brush and I use that Maybelline pomade. And then I go ahead and start outlining my eye. I cannot wait to get the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade because I just heard so many good things about it. So, and if I said eye, I meant to say eyebrow, sorry. Now I'm just making sure they're filled in and then I'm brushing it out. You always want to brush it out after you draw it to get rid of all those harsh lines. And then that's the Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I use that on the bottom and the top of my eyebrows. Then I just wipe in one swipe going to the direction of my eyebrow. And then I brush down to really blend it out. And now I'm going to go ahead and etch out my eyebrow at the top of my eyebrows. And I take it and then I also brush up to blend it out. Then I go on to my right eyebrow. And then I do this kind of fast because my right eyebrow is my struggle brow. And then I take my Beauty Glazed palette and it is Over the Rainbow. And then I go ahead and start taking these colors. I use like this burgundy, like a pink and yellow and orange. So those are the colors that I use, and I go ahead and just put that on my eyelids. And now I'm cut creasing. Now this cut crease, I just make sure I have a flat brush and some concealer. That's what I use to prime for the eyeshadow. And this cut crease, I decided to wing it out because I just like the way that shape looks on my eyes specifically. But then I just keep taking it and I blend it down and I just go ahead and cut that bad boy out. I just make sure that it's super fleeky, and my detail in this was on point because I just wanted to make sure that I didn't mess up. So then I continue to blend it out and I go ahead and blend that in right there. And then I took a really small detail brush and took that same burgundy that I used for the end of my eye, and I kind of created like an eyeliner for it. Then I go ahead and just finish putting eyeshadow on the rest of my cut crease. It's amazing. That is Wet n Wild eyeliner. You can get that from any drugstore. I like it. It goes on really smooth. This is the Elite Cafe. These lashes are called Porsha. Then I take my NYX foundation and I go ahead and start blending it out with the stipple brush. And I go ahead and blend that out some more. I just make sure everything's blended. And that's the Fit Me concealer. And I put that under my eyes, underneath my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead. And then I take a small beauty blender and just blend it out underneath my eyes where I can get it really detailed. And that's Black Radiance, and that's a contour stick. I just used a brush so I can get my nose super skinny. And I put that underneath my cheeks. And I take some more concealer. And then I just take an angle brush and just start blending it all out. Then I take this contour palette. I got this from Ulta. I'm going to put all the items in the description box below. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I really thank you guys for watching. Oh, I had this idea. I wanted to put lines on my face, and I used the same yellow eyeshadow to complete it. And I think it turned out so awesome. If you like the look, subscribe to my channel. This is pretty much the completed look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks, guys. Bye.